Let's get ready to griddle. Hey y'all, welcome back. Glad you're here. We got some ground beef cooking, as you can see. It's cooking up fast. Everything cooks up fast if you're not careful on the griddle. So we got some refried beans going. What do you say we have some Crunchwrap Supreme? Sounds good to me. This is good stuff they had on sale at the grocery. I love when they have the good stuff on sale at the grocery. I wish I had a giant freezer so I could really stock up. We've got a really nice side-by-side, but we just started the side-by-sides don't seem to hold as much. The old-fashioned. That's cooking fast. I already salted it, added a little garlic. What else do we have here? That's maybe just a splash of pepper. Most recipes don't call for a mix of refried beans and ground beef, but my recipe does. So there. And here any minute now we'll be getting some condiments to start putting the stuff together. My lovely assistant was inside looking for the sour cream. We may have to go sour creamless because it decided to hide on us. What do you think? It's choppy enough? It's almost there. Uh-oh, get back here. That is almost ready. Really close to being ready. The beans sound hot. Could use a little more warming. When we throw the beef in, it'll be ready. Hello, lovely assistant.
Hello.
Where's all the...
I also did it.
I thought you were bringing it out. Okay, my lovely assistant isn't bringing out things to make Crunchwrap. Okay, that's done. Let's throw it in here with the beans. Refried beans. And we can turn down this side, I think. When they get in the corners, get out of that corner. Hello, lovely assistant.
Hello.
And we just happen to have a packet of taco seasoning. Let's toss this in here, shall we? Yum. almost ready?
Almost.
If you would, hold on just a second. This isn't as easy as it looks on a griddle. But we're getting there.
I think we're okay.
Son tried to get away. Okay. If you excuse us just a moment, we'll do some setup and we'll be right back. And welcome back. We hope you're not too confused by this weird angle. Let's slap on some of this beefy beanie substance. I'm being directed by the...
Maybe a little more?
Thank you. By the boss, who doesn't like the way I do things, apparently. And now we'll put some queso cheese. Queso is Spanish for something. The wind is... It was windy earlier. Look at that, how perfect. Now...
Unfortunately, our supreme is a little less supreme because we don't have any sour cream.
Our sour cream walked off on us. It has quit. So we'll do lettuce and tomato. Hate not having that little bit of glue and the supremacy of sour cream.
Yes, well, sorry.
And I know we bought some, so that's weird. Anyway, we got some Mexican shredded cheese. And that should be plenty. And she's going commando. She's not going to put the filler wrap in the cheat. Because she's an expert tearing up the dough.
I tore that one corner.
See, we didn't have the sour cream.
That's what did it.
Okay, this one's going on the griddle. I hope you can see the griddle. I've got it set to low right now. Can you see the griddle? No, you can't. So she's going to finish that one while the first one griddles. There we go. There's a little bit of both. Baja's offering her advice. I guess I could turn this up a little now. This one could be turned off. Excuse her arm reaching over. And I'm sorry it's not a Supreme. It's just a... What were the Supremes after Gladys Knight left? Or Diana Ross?
I was going to say, I don't know.
So we got some action going here. You got some expert folding. And hopefully she won't tear this one. Look how pretty this one is, y'all. This one's perfect. You know the torn one's gonna be mine. We'll slap this one on the griddle. That's hot. So we have a little bit of leftover stuff and a lot of leftover meat and beans. Would you like a bite?
We can always make more.
We could always make more, but these are huge. Look at these. Okay. We got a close up to Baja. Extreme close up. Ah! Good job, Baja. Okay, and here's my fancy rack all put together correctly. Look at that, isn't it pretty? Oh wait, speaking of pretty, hello lovely assistant. Camera shy, lovely assistant. Okay, let's move back over here and we'll check underneath to see if it's starting to smell. Oh, look at that, it's browned. Oh, they're both browned. Is that awesome or what? I'll turn it so you don't have to see that tear. How's that? Okay. And we're going to finish these, which will only take a second or two. Do you have anything to say, lovely assistant? No, she's running away. Okay, well, that's not just a wrap, it's a crunch wrap. Thanks for watching again, y'all. Bye.